Headphones, SONY WH-1000XM3. This headphones from Sony has the best wireless and noise-canceling features. This piece is also complete with a very good sound quality and design, with touch controls on the right ear cup that work very well. These headphones battery can also last up to 30 hours. They also comes with rapid charging USB-C and excellent wireless sound performance. Fitness tracker, Fitbit Alta HR. The battery on this 80 pounds fitness tracker can last a whole week, and the slim and discreet band is also packed with a lot of tech. This Fitbit Alta HR can track steps, calories burned, sleep and heart rate. Includes extras like hourly mini goals and comes in 6 colors options. Even though it's not waterproof, you can still buy some accessory bands which sold separately to mix and match your style. Laptop, Dell XPS 13, 2019. This 13-inch laptop is slim and light yet is powerful enough to deal with a heavy workload. This 999 pounds laptop is also complete with some configuration options, including non-glare screens, Full HD or UHD and touchscreen versions. The latest 2019 edition comes with a webcam which has been positioned above the display that many has complained about from THR previous model. Wireless earbuds, Jabra Elite 65T. This 128 pounds wireless earbuds from Jabra can be used on your daily activity. These earbuds can deliver a great sound and look. They can last for 5 hours of use from a full charge and a further 2 from the charging case. Backpack, Nomo Novello. This stylist backpack will keep your laptop and other gadgets safe. This Nomo Novello comes with a generous 15-liter capacity. Its roll-top design made from thick 10 ounces treated canvas. Inside the backpack there's a padded front pocket with dividers, smaller padded pockets, including one for your phone with RFID blocking, and room for a gym kit. TV, Samsung QE65Q900. This TV from Samsung is 8K TV that comes in 3 sizes, 85, 75 and 65-inch versions. It steps up the HDR performance, hitting peak brightness levels of 4000 nits. This TV is also perfect for gaming. In addition, this TV is also supported with Quantum 8K processor. Running watch, Garmin Forerunner 935. For those who take running seriously, you'd better consider this running watch. TEH battery on this running watch can last for up to 2 weeks on standby mode, and up to 24 hours when consistently monitoring activity. This watch can track a variety of activities including swims, cycles or rounds of golf, in addition to displaying various training options. It also provides details on heart rates, lactate thresholds or recovery times. Plus, it is only weight 49 gram. Smartphone, Huawei P30 Pro. This 899 pounds smartphone from Huawei has a superb design, screen and camera with no less than 4 versatile cameras, a fast in-display fingerprint sensor, and an all-screen, small notch design. Bluetooth speaker, UEMEGA-BOOM3. This 150-pound Bluetooth speaker is packed with good features, has a good sound quality, and the battery on this speaker can last for 20 hours. In addition, it also has the ability to stereo pair and daisy chain with other UE speakers. Wireless multi-room speaker, Sonos Play 5. This 449-pound wireless multi-room speaker can easily fill your rooms with rich sounds, and its 3.5mm audio socket can be plugged in your favorite non-streaming audio device. It also supports Spotify Connect. On sound quality, this multi-room speaker can be compared with traditional hi-fi thanks to its impressive bass, dynamics, and fidelity.